On this video I'm going to convert my AVAX into DOMI tokens. So I have 371 AVAX balance in my account at the moment. I'm using TraderJoe to do this. So we're on TraderJoe XYZ, already connected via MetaMask and switched to the Avalanche network. So we're going to go from AVAX. Let's do 100 AVAX first of all. And we're going to go to DOMI. That would get us 37,000. Let's click on swap. We just get the confirmation with MetaMask. We're looking gas fees of just 10 pence. Ideal, confirm. So that has now happened there. Let's do some more. Let's do another 150 AVAX. It's a price impact warning. Let's drop that down. Go to 100. Let's swap. £9. Total AVAX. Confirm. So our DOMI balance up by 30,000 again. Let's do another 100. Takes us to 114,000 DOMI, and let's do another 71 AVAX, another 25,000 DOMI. There's a separate video as to why I'm buying DOMI, but I just wanted to record this showing the actual process, so we confirm that, and that will take us to 140,000, 139,000 DOMI. And it's as simple as that. Hope you found that video useful. Do subscribe to my channel if you're wanting to work out how to put your money to work. That's what my channel is all about. Do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, pass any comments, and I'll see you on the next video.